What's up, guys? It's late at night. I just got back from a little outing on the river with my wife and doing a little walleye fishing. Wasn't really planning on keeping any, but when we caught a few perfect 16-inch males, couldn't resist it. So I'm going to show you guys how to clean walleye in the fastest and easiest, most efficient way possible. Not even going to go into the house. I've got 3 walleye to clean. Instead of dirtying up the sink and the cutting board, here's all we're going to do. All right. This light, by the way, is really helpful for a garage light. This is where we'll kind of clean them right here. Should be able to show you how to do this. Like I said, there's a lot of ways to clean walleye. This is going to be the fastest way, in my opinion. Most efficient, does not waste any meat. All right, so... Alright, so here's all we're... Let me see what mode looks the best. There's different like brightness modes on this thing. So I just want to get one where it's the clearest for you guys. Alright, that's good enough. So here we go. 16-inch walleye. This is all we're going to be doing. I want to see how fast this actually takes. So we're going to cut down. Run that right along the spine. That's all there is to it. Then we're coming around here, getting that skin off. Oh. I'm losing a grip on them, okay? Then take these bones, cut that section out. I see way too many people put that in the bucket. That's an incredible walleye fillet right there. Okay, got a little container for that. I see way too many people toss this away. That's actually sad to even think about. Turn it over, run your knife over right there. Boom. Incredible boneless fillet. Move this up. Oh, that's better for you guys. Yeah. This right here then is those rib bones. Okay, simple as that. Other side. Same thing down there. Find that spine. Look at this. There's no meat left on that thing, okay? Same thing here. I cut my fingernails yesterday, so it's harder. It's not as easy to grip it. Pull that. Man, can't grip that thing. There we go. No, nothing left on there. Here's that section again, right? Because there's the pin bones that go down there and the rib bones. A lot of you know about that. This is completely boneless, right? That's right in the bucket. If you really want, cut that and you have 2 perfect little sections for the fryer. Okay, but this is that part. Do not throw this away. This is ribs. I can't cut through this side. Flip it over. Right here, feel the ribs and then cut it down. There's a nice, incredible fillet. Do not waste that part of the walleye. Speaking of wasting parts of the walleye, the cheeks. Okay, these are only like 16-inch walleyes, so it's not much. Most people probably don't mess with this, but once again, if you're gonna keep a beautiful fish like this, I feel like it's your responsibility to use all of that animal, right? You'll notice I bled these walleyes before too, so that's why they're really clean, not messy. That's actually a big component of this. I can just do this on a piece of cardboard and throw it away. There's no mess. If you don't bleed your fish, what I mean is cut a gill right before, when they're in the live well right before you head home. There's gonna be blood all over that fish. If you bleed them first, super clean. Anyway, there's that little cheek. Like I said, it ain't much, but it's a tasty little morsel. It'd be a shame to leave it on there, okay? That's it. There's that first fish. I was talking a lot in that one, so obviously, probably didn't go as fast. This one I'll actually try to go really quick on. Okay, this guy's a little bigger. I think he was like 17. Here we go. Cut. Right there. Some people use the electric. I just get a sharp blade and it works just fine. All right. Let's see if I can do this actually without losing grip here. Skin. Cut. Cut. Flip that. Boom. Boom. Boneless, boneless, boneless. There's one side of the walleye, okay? Same thing here. I forgot to show you that. That helps a lot. Keep that. Don't actually cut it off the skin, and then it was just flipped over and went way faster. This light, by the way, since I'm cleaning this, I just realized this is the cardboard that I threw away from just putting this light in here. It's a sweet light, by the way. It's all touch screen or touch pad power. Try to reflect some light up to see the buttons. Here's all those different modes I was telling you about, intensity of the light. And then these fold up. Right now I don't even have the side ones on. If you want these side ones on, that's even way brighter. So I'll put the link to that in the description if you want to check it out. Full disclaimer, they sent it to me. So they sent it to me, so I'm like, of course I gave it a try. I don't know if I ever would have bought it otherwise, but I'm telling you, it makes a huge difference when you're cleaning fish. Definitely check it out if you're interested. A little garage workbench light, just plugs into a 110 outlet, and she's nice. A little sauger here. No different. In fact, this one's even easier because those bones are smaller. Like I said, notice how I kept that on there that time. That goes a lot faster. I should have been doing that the whole time. Not getting the cheeks off a little 13-inch sauger, that's for sure. All right, guys, that's it. Simple as that. Fresh fillets. Fold this up, put it in the garbage. Oops, probably should put that there. My wife probably wouldn't appreciate walking out and seeing a walleye skin tomorrow morning. But yeah, love this method. Look at that. Go give that a rinse. Good to go. Fold this up. Garbage can. Yeah. No mess, no cleanup. Really, I made this video to convince people to stop throwing away this part of the walleye. It's sad how much that gets wasted. So if nothing else, pick up on that little tip that I wanted to give you. And maybe get yourself this light because it's pretty sweet. Thanks for watching. Good luck fishing.